And we're live. So we plan to do a scalp session here. You can see we've got our scalp account, sim tracker. We've come into these the current highs a day. Believe that to be the case. Oh, it isn't actually the higher day. Not quite the higher day. That's interesting. That's interesting. Higher days are all the way up at 54. Let's see what's happening on ES. ES certainly seems more bullish. We're into this area. Proved difficult early in the morning. Well, earlier during Europe. It's interesting to see what this market's going to do here. Let's see. Do have a few levels. Of course, got the 1450. So the goal was to potentially take a short in this area where we are at the moment. Market clearly looks bullish. Pretty obvious breakout there. No, I'm just going to take the short here. Came out of this area, so see if the sellers can come in here. Let's see if we come all the way down to this trend line. Expecting to see a breakdown here. Not seeing it. I get ready to take it off if it doesn't work. Certainly going the wrong way. Trail down the stop a little bit more. No, it's going the wrong way. Took it off for a loss. Down 9. After this bullish candle, the bear, so it would have been enough momentum to see us break down to at least these lows around at 77.50. Not the sort of price action I want to see. We've come into this area where I would expect selling in. I would expect to see a similar move to this one here, but to the downside. If we were to short this, very tight stop. I'm going to short it. Put a stop above the highs there. No, not seeing the breakdown I want to see here. No. Took it off for a loss. Down 13. And we're gonna buy up all the way up to that 1950. No, let's see. See if sellers aren't going to step in here then. The first test right there. Let's see if we can get to that 1050. Currently in at 500. Of course, we've got the level up at 1450. Close below that 91 will be getting out. Wouldn't expect this to, let's see, 14. Risk reward is, can we get 4 more points? Which should bring us up to about 1-1. So that would mean a stop up at 90. Is that too tight to stop? You know what? Let's put our stop up to 90. Let's put our stop up to 90. Keep the risk reward favorable. So we just got to 0675. So it's within striking distance of that 1050. Of course, we've got the potential sellers from here and the sellers all along here, but continue to hold here. For that move possibly up to that 1050. New candle. It's interesting. It didn't close above these highs here. They were at 0525. Okay, so definitely we need a close above there. I am buying a little bit high here. Definitely buying high. You know what? Let's go with... We'll try to take it off at 550. We'll try to get back in at 500 again. Definitely not what I wanted to see. Mm. I'll tell you what. I'm going to move my stop up a bit here. Ah, goodness me. Okay, so we've gone below 500. Buyers have just come back in. 04. Looking for that 550. So we're 1.5 points away. Just seen that move up there. It seems that we should get it. Just taking out one contract at a time. There we go. Target of field. May get up to that 1050 on this push. So we just had that close above that level there. Let's see. If we don't get to 1050, we pull back to this 500. Look to get long for a move up towards that 1050. So let's think about this. Okay, you can't put an exit order with a pen. Okay. Well, what's happening here? Let's see. Got it down at 99.75. Okay, so the order was filled there. Most importantly, let's I'm gonna put a stop at 90. I'm gonna put the target up at 1050. Let's do 1050. Again, buying pretty high here, but looking for this market to continue towards that 1450. Got a bit of a tighter stop as well, just to try and keep it 1-to-1. Ideally, I'd want to be shorting this, but seems the market wants to head higher, so I'll take long trades. Closer we get to this 1450. Look to see if we can get that Potential mean reversion short. Far more sellers than I'd like here at the moment. I'm gonna be a bit more aggressive with the stop. So a little bit more. Just gonna keep it under this low here. We'll see immediate buyers here. Let's see how this candle close. If it close bullish at the highs, I'm gonna be even more aggressive with my stop. Okay. I'm putting my stop just above break even. So we've come down to that 500. I don't want to see these sellers come back and get to that level. Put this stop at break even here. I want to see this move through the highs at the 0850s all the way up to the 1050s. That's what I was talking about. There we go. I'm just going to trail to the lows there. We go. Seems we broke the highs there by a tick. Okay, let's be a bit more aggressive here. So we're looking for that move through. Seems I'm going to be stopped out here. I was expecting to see more momentum on the break of those previous highs over here. Maybe there's some sellers hanging around. Just going to leave the trail stop where it is at the moment. Looking for that move up to that 1050. Going to be stopped out, it seems. Stopped out. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Down 3. And 3. We are into an area, if you look to the left of the charts here, that we've had quite a bit of selling, so we do have to bear that in mind when taking long trades. So if we look here, we could pretty much box in these wicks here. So you got these wicks over here, even this wick here. So we could double box in. Not really surprising that we did have that selling coming in, but I was hoping that we could just see that break through the 08s up to the 50s. Again, my primary focus really is a short, but it's just the fact that what I saw down here suggested the market wants to still go long. See, we're still getting bought up here. There we go. So we got to 10. So this should get us up to that 1050. Seems above these highs. Got a bit of a pocket, clear pocket there to the upside. There we go. There we go, that 1050. This is the sort of thing I wanted to see down here. There we go, heading towards that 1450. We've got the previous day's close at 1950. So again, a further confluence. So 1450 to that 1950. Seems somewhat inevitable that we'll get up to that 1950. I don't have a setup for it though. So up to 16 there. There we go. Through that 1950 with momentum. Wow. Look at that breakout there. Above these highs. Above the previous day's close. Of course, the very next level we'll be looking at is a move up to 44. You just never know. This breakout could turn around. Sellers could come back in strongly. Not sure about that though. And I think this is going to be drawn towards the previous day's high. Seeming to see breakout momentum here. 24, 31. Let's leave it alone for now. So the very next level is at 44. Probably would need a retest of this level and then go. It's interesting. That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay, so it seems 44's on the cards. New candle. It's going to take... Oh, goodness me. Bad fill. Ah, goodness me. Where did I get filled? 35. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. Not for what I wanted to do. Let's see if I can get out for break even here. I'll try to get out for break even here. Even that's pretty bad. Oh, that's pretty bad. Okay. Ah, trade idea would have played out, but it wouldn't work. We got to that 41. I wanted to get in at 31, but yeah, it just wouldn't work. You see, we've got up to that 41. Wanted to get in 31 for 41, but so still down slightly on the day. We're seeing that ES break to the upside. So this definitely seems he wants to get to that 54, which was the high from the previous day. Oh, there we are. Good strong break there. Broke the previous day's high all the way up to 60. Daily range is expanded on that break there. The seller's at 54. Gonna take us down to 44. No, it's too late. So this is quite extended here to the upside. Suppose ES isn't actually at its current day's high. Could see a move up to 900, which is about 7 points off. Certainly room to go. I see that selling there off the previous day's high. Currently down into the 30s. It's interesting. With 14 seconds to go, do we take this bearishness off the previous day's high to go short? Hmm. If we do go short, we're down to 23. Let's do it. What? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. So, I'm just gonna have to fix something here. We'll be right back. And I'm back. So, So we'll be looking for. I'm gonna take the short. It's the wrong. Why is it ATM only got 2 contracts? Why is the order quantity wrong? Hold on a second here. Was that a bullish cap? Oh no. No, 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 no. Yeah, this ain't working. Down 9. I wanted to see more selling come in here, but more selling off the rejection of the previous day's high. We're seeing buyers step in here, so right in there. This certainly looks like it wants to go back up to... Oh, hold on. Why is this all the way up there? Should be at 54. Goodness me. Oh. Thing's really going for a breakout. Hmm. Seen price come back and retest that previous day's high. Down at 54. So there is a possibility of using it as a support to continue higher. You see, we wicked off it. We were up at 59. Yes, we would know where a potential stop would be. Just gonna go long. Just gonna go long and put a stop down where at the lows of this pullback. I'm gonna target 580s. Let's see what ES. Oh, ES still has some room to the upside. I think the pullback here to the previous day's high, holding, closing bullish. Didn't break out as much as I thought we would. I didn't think we broke out as much as I thought. Would have expected this to continue stronger without this candle with a wick.
Target filled.
So maybe I've just gotten out early there. Showing a lack of patience. Definitely. So I was looking to target the 80s. Seems like we are going to get to the 80s. I'm just not good at this type of breakout trading. So we pull back down to 73 there. Matter of fact, why was the 80 so important to me? I think it was a level on the daily chart. Let's see. NQ. Yeah. Where is it? Daily theme. Yeah, I believe it was these highs over here. Matter of fact, those highs are up at 94.75. So those dips were being bought there. It's going to go long. Oh my word. Oh my word. I went long. And it's gone through the 80s before I could even... Goodness me. Goodness me. Ah, my gosh. So this is a problem now. Because it's actually got to the level. About 80. I'm still going to try and hold to get it. There we
Target
go.
filled.
What? Oh my fucking... Why is it when I change these fucking windows, the account changes? Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be... Oh, this is... Oh, this is a... Why is all the... Oh my... Oh my gosh. Oh my... Oh my god. So it's on the wrong account. Oh, great. Great. Okay, let's see if we can get it on the right account. Oh my... Oh, goodness me. So we got the right account. Let's go down to my... Can we get the right amount of contracts? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. So I added a new window and that seemed to have... Oh, okay. The amount of consecutive bullish candles we've had here since the breakout on ES broke above the highs here. Look how many consecutive bullish candles on the 5-minute chart. Funny thing is, this was the sort of thing I was looking for quite some time on using the other strategy based on the daily chart being bullish for a couple of days now. It's just interesting that it's still not a great candle. We still had the selling go all the way down to the wick. So these highs, I believe those highs are around at 94.75. So we've cleared them as we're up to 600. We've got 6,059. Sorry, 6,059. 659. And at 680. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, first candle to make a new low. It's going to short it there. I'm going to use a very short, yeah, this looks all right. It should be fairly tight with our stop. Seeing this very strong move to the upside. There we go.
Target filled.
There we go. So I saw this strong move, high, pretty much a big, large candle here. Made a new low off this candle that couldn't make a new high after this large candle in the trend. That's the reason why I went short at the lows there. Took profits pretty quickly. So I would just say that's being flat on the day. Would have been up if it wasn't for that that mistake, but can't blame anybody but myself. Let's see. Just gonna be patient here. Goodness me, seems that we are selling all the way back down to the previous day's high. Just seeing that my streaming software disconnected. I'm not sure if I'm still live. Let's go have a look. Let's go figure this out. Whether I'm still live or not. So it's saying I'm still live. Hmm. Feels so tempting to short this down to the previous day's high. Concerned about it being too obvious though. I'm just going to take it. Take it slightly above it. So I got to take profit there at 56. Slightly above that 54, which is a previous day's high. So we got down to 60 there. And I'm in at 65. If we can get 59, trailing my stop down to break even here. Still holding at 60. You know what? Trailing my stop down to break even. May get stopped out here for break even. 58, 57. Should get it. 57, 57, 75, 57. Goodness me, how close do you want to get?
Target filled.
Target got filled right there. Seems I'm about to get a true setup of my actual system. Problem I've kind of got at the moment is previous resistance being support. So this would be a short down to the 521s. Down to the 521s. You know what? Let me take the short. Let's see if we can get, we've got our key level down at 44. Try to take out the 44.75s here. Maybe we should just target the actual 44s. 44.25. So there's a risk here. That previous day's high could act as support. This is saying 601, isn't it? 601.75. 601.75. We said 521. 433.75. 433. Let's do 434. Ah, goodness me. I did say that there was the possibility of it using the previous day's higher support. Did mention it being a possibility. Hoping that this failure to go immediately higher will be a good sign. The fact that this second candle wasn't bullish, but absolutely zero guarantees. So we got 33.75. This market could be continuing to trend higher. Like I said, this strategy is a mean reversion strategy, so what you'll mean is in trending conditions, it'll perform poorly. In somewhat ranging conditions, it'll perform its best. Let's just see. So we're short 50, risking about 51. It's a little bit more than I'd like. But the reward is going to be quite reward's going to be quite good if we can get to it. Hold on, should we be taking a mean reversion trade on an uptrending market? That's a question. An uptrending market that just broke out. Probably not. You know what? I'll try to get out for break even here. Well, I'll try to get out for break even here. We've just seen a breakout on the day, so in the late afternoon as well. I'll try to get out for break even. On at 50.25.
Target build.
Just second guess myself there. Got out for well, consider break even. Now in time it could prove to be the wrong decision and I should have kept it short, but of course it seems that we've gone down to that 44.25 I was initially looking for. Off the short of 50. Another area of potential support. Question, of course, is going to be, if you're not going to take the mean reversion short, what would you need to see to take a long? That's a question. Because you've talked yourself out of the short. Let me think about this. I'm not sure what this red line is. That's far too steep. Can't even put a trend line on this. It's too steep. Maybe this one. Maybe. No, it just doesn't work. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. So we've come down to that 44. Seem to have held close back above the previous day's high. So we came down to the 44, seen this doji, came down, bullish candle, closed above the previous day's high. It's interesting. Certainly the kind of thing you'd want to see for a reverse back to the upside. You know, I'm just going to take a long. Stop down at the lows. The target all the way up there at 83. I'm going to be aggressive with a trail if it goes in my favor. So I'm just going to use the fact that we came down to that 44, found buyers, closed back above the previous day's high. Closed below the previous day's high, I'll be getting out. Ah, goodness me. We're expecting to see sellers here. Let's get out. Let's see. So I'm looking for an immediate move away from this previous day's high. New candle. Don't want this making a new low. So we're in at 57, stops at 49. Oh, that's a flipping big stop, isn't it? You know what? I'm taking it off. I feel this candle should have been bullish, but the fact that it's turned out bearish. It's not what I wanted to see off this previous day's high. I wanted to see price really hold it, continue higher. Maybe I was too aggressive in taking it off, but time will tell. What's the highs? Highs are up at 60. Didn't make a new low there. No. Here we go. It's interesting. We'll take this short down to the 44s. Probably not. Certainly tempting. So that 94. $94.75. So that's this high over here, I believe. See, we just can't seem to hold above that previous day's high. See, we're struggling. So I'm wondering if we are going to come back down to this 44. It looks like it. Hmm. So that mean reversion trade that I took off still remains in place up at the 550s. But again, I was concerned about this 44, the previous day's high. I'm not sure if I'm allowing the recency of this price action to influence me too much, but I can't ignore, well, matter of fact, can't ignore what I see. No. And buying up off that 44 there. I think what I'm waiting for is an opportunity to go long above the previous day's high. Rolls in time. Suppose it could be argued that the long uptrend has been broken here. So you look at that. So many opportunities to get could have got back in short, back down to the 44. So many opportunities. Just have a strong bullish bias based on what I'm seeing here on a daily chart. These pullbacks have been pretty problematic for me, but so buying, buying, buying. I just can't get the out of my head. I just can't bring myself to short this market. See, there was another opportunity there to go short. I just can't bring myself to do it. There we are, back down to the 44s. So from the 50 down to the 44s. I just can't bring myself to do it. Thing about it is if, you know what?
Order submitted.
I'm going to put the order out there. Spent quite a lot of time here beneath this previous day's high. So maybe we'll have more of a pullback. Just can't do it. Just can't. Thing about it is we've got this level at 44. We've got the level at 44.
Order canceled.
Current range 242, which is pretty healthy. I just no, I'm gonna stick to my guns. I'm going to take a short here. We're going to take a short. We couldn't follow through to the upside. Bearish candle, bearish candle. So this move up may have just been a bit of a false move. So plus we couldn't close above that 44, close back below it. So I think prices may come down and target this low here. So it's at 33.50. So once we get to, let's go with 34.25. Gonna try to break even here. Yep,
Target filled.
target got filled right there. See that mean reversion trade from all the way up here. First that we're looking at was a 21, which was the close from yesterday. We've got another more extended level down at 489, but it's neither here nor there. So the mean reversion trade that I didn't take. Well, I didn't stay in. Would have worked pretty good here. Would have been short at 50, currently down at 32. So looking for a move down to 25. Yeah, I don't think it's going to retrace all the way up there, is it? Up to 34. Hmm. $31. You'd say 21 was the level. Currently at 27. So the previous day's close. There we are, through 25. I'm just going to short it, short there. Got filled 27. Previous day's close at 19. So 1950, so we'll do 2150. Two points above. So instead of being taking all these little partials, would have kept with the original trade, been very profitable. So the previous day's close at 1950. I'm trying to get out to 2150, 2 points above there. We get down to, let's see, 22. Just stop to break even. Look how ridiculous this stop looks. Absolutely ridiculous. Can't be doing that. Can't be having a stop all the way up there. Even where the stop is now looks ridiculous. You know what? We're short at 27, 44. What is that? 17 points. It's turbo risk reward. 24. 23.75. So at 22.50 we'll be adjusting my stop to break even. Come on. Any moment this could just do a counter trend move and take me out. So 43.50. Let's make it 43. $41. So what's that? 14 points. That seems more reasonable. We'll be down on the day, but come on. Previous lows there around 23. What is that? 23.25. Once we get to 22, I'm looking to trail to break even here with a target down at 21.50. Just needed to spike down to 22. 2 points away. Let's get prepared. There we go. Target filled. Got all the way down to the 1950s and beyond. There we go. All the way down to the 1450s. And not staying in or taking that earlier mean reversion trade. It's definitely sticking out like a sore thumb at the moment. Because this was the entry. But we had a dynamic target. So the target would have been up to about 500 now. It's about 48 points. At one point, the target was all the way down at the, I think it was down at 430s, I think. but it trails up. It trails up. It's now at about the 500. Currently, at the best lows, would have been up 36. But we decided not to take the trade, so we'll just have to accept that. So currently we're testing the previous day's close. Also, I've got this level down here at 1450. That would have been a really good mean reversion trade. So we're at 16. We'll have to pick up another 20 points or so. You know what? I'm going to wait. May even take a little break here. So we've come down to the previous day's low, got down to the 1450s. Seen buy step in there. Ever so briefly. Let's see where that is. So the dynamic target is at 502. From the mean reversion trade. Copy. Clear 503 at the moment. Yeah, I'm just going to take a break. You know what? This video's 2 hours and, well, it's 1 hour and 57 minutes. I'm just gonna call it. I'm gonna call it a day here. So let's have a look at the old trade performance. Hold on. Let's get the trade performance up. We'll have to take off the error trade and the other account. And this is the equity. As we can see, first we drew down minus 13,608. Recovered some of that, had another drawdown. It's not this type of equity curve I like to see. Quite a lot of volatility, a lot of chop. We were up 8, drew down, and then finally we're going to end the day up at our equity highs in profit, up at 16. I'm just going to scroll down through these trades. Of course, there was a trade that we didn't take, the mean reversion short. So here we are on the summary, total gains, total losses, positive profit factor, percentage profitable, it's quite high. Average winner, not a great there in terms of average winner to loser. Not great to largest win to largest loss. So there's definitely some areas for improvement there. Have a bit more confidence in the mean reversion trades, of course. But I'm happy to end the day positive. We're quite a bit off the equity highs, but we're on the right track for the moment. So we'll see how things develop over the next couple of scalping sessions. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.